Hello everyone! Another great week passed bringing us new market updates from all over the world. So let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Mitsubishi Electric Corporation announced that it will begin shipping samples of a new Schottky barrier diode embedded silicon carbide MOSFET module featuring dual type 3.3 kV withstand voltage and 6 kV RMS dielectric strand. The new model is expected to support superior power, efficiency and reliability in inverter systems for large industrial equipment, such as railways and electric power systems. Texas Instruments, a leader in high-voltage technology, released a highly integrated, functional, safety-compliant, isolated gate driver that enables engineers to design more efficient traction inverters and maximize electric vehicle driving range. The new reinforced isolated gate driver offers features that enable electric vehicles powertrain engineers to increase power density and reduce system design complexity and cost while achieving their safety and performance goals. AIXTRON plans to invest up to 100 million euros at its Herzogenrath facility. A new innovation center is to be built, which will provide the manufacture of deposition equipment to the semiconductor industry with enhanced capacities for research and development. AIXTRON received approval for the new project from the company supervisory board. The new innovation center will provide 1,000 square meters of clean room space and will be built on the company's premises in Herzogenrath in Germany. The new building will create further capacities for the next product generations, which are already in preparation, as well as for further product developments beyond that. Power Integrations introduced the SCALE-iFlex LTNTC family of IGBT silicon carbide module gate drivers. The new gate drivers target the popular new dual IGBT modules such as the Mitsubishi Electric LV100 and the Infineon XHP2, as well as silicon carbide variants thereof up to 2300-volt blocking voltage. The SCALE-iFlex LTNTC drivers provide negative temperature coefficient data and insulated temperature measurement of the power module, which enables accurate thermal management of converter systems. This is particularly important for systems with multiple modules arrayed in parallel, ensuring proper current sharing and dramatically enhancing overall system reliability. Penn State and onsemi announced the signing of Memorandum of Understanding towards $8 million strategic collaboration, which includes the establishment of the onsemi Silicon Carbide Crystal Center at Penn State Material Research Institute. onsemi will fund the Silicon Carbide Crystal Center with $800,000 per year over the next 10 years. Nexperia announced a significant raising of the bar in semiconductor engineer design support with the release of next-generation interactive datasheets to accompany its power MOSFETs. By manipulating interactive sliders within the datasheets, users can manually adjust the voltage, current, temperature, and other conditions for their circuit application and watch how the operating point of a device dynamically responds to these changes. These interactive datasheets effectively offer a type of graphical user interface to a circuit simulator, using Nexperia's advanced electrothermal models to calculate the operating point of a device. onsemi is considering investing $2 billion in boosting production of silicon carbide chips that are widely used to help extend the range of electric vehicles. Company executives said during an analyst presentation the company is considering the expansion in either the United States, Czech Republic or South Korea. The firm already has factories in each of those countries. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day!